My name is Mercy. I am currently a student at Zindua. I'm doing data science. For my undergrad, I did a bachelor's degree in mathematics and computer science with a major in statistics from JKUAT. I got to know about Zindua through Jesse. It happened we both attended PyCon KE in last year, May 2022. So Jesse was one of the speakers for some topic, I can't really remember the exact name, and I had attended that session. So at the end of this session, he talked about Zindua School, and I got really interested in, because he said they're doing data science and software engineering, and they have a really flexible finance plan, which was quite favorable. He marketed Zindua well enough, and I reached out to him after that. Yes, and here we are. That's how I got to know about Zindua. I chose data science because previously in my undergrad I did maths and computer science, and I majored in statistics. So at the moment the world is really taking a turn towards technology, and I thought it should be fair enough if I integrate my maths and my statistics with tech. And so the best merger for maths and a computer, in my opinion, is data science. So that's how I found myself in data science. Wow, it's been an interesting one, genuinely. Very, very interesting one. If I'd compare the person I am right now with the person I was prior to joining Zindua, or just when I was joining Zindua, I'd say I have really grown in more than one aspect. It's been a good learning experience. The amazing tutors, the students you get to interact with, and also it's quite friendly. I'd say it's quite time friendly in the sense you can agree with your TM, then you have your classes started at a specific time, and also because it's quite manageable in terms of you being flexible with your TM. If you don't understand anything, you can always reach out to him, and considering our classes are usually sizable enough, so it's easy to have a sort of one-on-one experience, not like the big normal classroom experience you get from, say, uni or other institutions. What I love most about Zindua is the personalized classes, and it's very easy. You know, while if you're in a large class, it's very easy for you to get lost within like amongst the other students. But for Zindua, because it's quite sizable, so I'd say the personalized touch of the personalized mode of teaching is really, really friendly. And also one other thing I like about Zindua is the blended in that hybrid. I mean, we have both physical classes and online classes. Like during the week it's online, but over the weekend it's physical. So I feel it's really fair enough. Yeah, I like that about Zindua as well. Also, one other thing I really liked about Zindua is ISA, which is called the Income Shared Agreement. It's a payment plan where that favors you if you don't really have enough money up front at the beginning. So you pay like 50% of your fee, and then the other 50% you pay it after you're done with, when you get a job, that is, which I feel is quite favorable. Yeah, it's open to anyone, whether you have the money to pay everything right now or you don't really have enough money to cater for your school fees at the moment. Yeah, so I like that about Zindua too. So my future prospects in data science, I'd want to venture into machine learning and AI in future, where I plan to use my skills to come up with solutions that can help the world, and also to leverage it to work with healthcare, to come up with solutions in healthcare using the knowledge that I've gotten from AI and ML. Yeah, healthcare, agriculture, yes, and some bit of climate change, but mostly healthcare and agriculture. Yeah. My best project, let me just stick with the GDPR dataset one, where I got to analyze cyber crimes from Europe, and from that I got to understand why crimes happen, the fines committed by crimes, and also how big data is, in the sense data is something very, very, it's gold. I mean, it's a big thing, you know. Yeah, so the way you are going to use that data will really determine, like, you can use it to get very great results, to have very great perspectives about stuff out here. So yeah, I feel that project really opened me to a lot of ideas, and also it generally broadened my mind. Yeah. Try Zindua for real. You won't regret. I kid you not. And also, just be ready to learn, be ready to have fun, to learn new things, to meet great people. Yes.